Understanding the phrase, change gears, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, change gears, in English. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday conversations and professional settings. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding this phrase will definitely add value to your language skills. First, let's start with the literal meaning. Change gears originates from the action of changing gears in a vehicle. When you change gears, you're adjusting the vehicle's transmission to suit your speed or driving conditions. This action is essential for a smooth and efficient driving experience. Now, let's shift to the figurative use of this phrase. When someone says they're changing gears in a conversation or a meeting, they don't mean they're driving. Instead, they're indicating a change in topic, strategy, or approach. It's like shifting the focus from one subject to another or adjusting the method of handling a situation. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, after discussing the budget, let's change gears and talk about our marketing strategy. 2. In personal conversations, we've talked enough about work, let's change gears and plan our weekend trip. These examples show how change gears is used to smoothly transition from one topic to another. Using change gears correctly can make your English sound more natural. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to transition smoothly between topics. It's great for redirecting conversations or meetings. Remember, it's usually used in informal or semi-formal contexts. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, change gears. Remember, learning these phrases can really enhance your English communication skills. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.